Alright, so today I'm gonna create something, have like more details with the bar surfacing add-in. So I'm gonna start by clicking on the right plane and just creating a planar surface, and then it's automatically just creating the surface. You can here adjust the length and the width of any face you want when it just show up. Okay, now I can use the segments also from here, increase it and decrease it easily. And here I just gonna keep it 1 and 1 and just clicking OK. Okay, now I'm just going to starting to get it more detaily, so I'm just going to let's snap little snaps here by pressing the A key and hold and just snap. It just automatically extend the surface. So let's just clicking from here and click on mirror. As you see, it's just automatically mirror it, so I can just easily move it up and down, and it's just symmetry. Okay, now from here I just can easily selecting this whole loop by right click and click on switch to edge loop selection and just snap by holding the A key and snap. So I just can make this like 3 times as you see here. Okay, now I just can easily creating like small edge here and we can increase it. So I'm just gonna hold the A key again and snap to inward, and as you see it's like giving me this shape. Okay, and just can I get the front plane and hold this point and up it a little bit like this. Okay, now I have it from the back side again, make the same steps. So I can now I want to click on this edge only, and it's like selecting all the rounded edge. So how do we get through this? We can just easily click on stop at corners, this button here, and you can easily selecting at the endpoints only. So I can just click here and down inwards again. Let's make it more different. Okay, now I have this shape here. I can convert to display sub-D mesh. As you see here, it's now like this. Now, as I mentioned before, I can increase it a little bit from here, like let's make it like 25 or something like this. Okay, now from the other side again, let's make the same, like 25. Okay, now I have here this shape that created with me. I can make more details. I can just easily here this point we can increase it and click on hard edge to give you a hard corner. From here I can just easily like flatten this whole line to the ground like this, just holding this arrow here and snap to down. We can just snap to down, and as you see it's fitted exactly with the ground. We can just use this point here again and click on the hard edge, and we can just up it a little bit to give like this shape. Now we're working vertically with the movements. Okay, now I'm gonna just increasing the level of the detailing, and I just can click on here. Let me just first creating inserting a loop from here. So I'm gonna inserting a loop by pressing the A key and hold and just stop at any line, and it's gonna inserting a line whatever you want. I can easily do the same at the other sides. Okay, now I'm just gonna click on this one and creating a line here. So I just created a line. Let's just making some more detail. We can just subdivide it also by right clicking on the part and press on subdivide. So I can here see that it's just double the faces and the lines and the vertices, so I can just easily selecting more details like this and hold the A key, press and snap. Okay, now I have created more details here, so I can easily control it like this. You can see when I just applying the HDRI, it's all clear and no any issues in the surfaces. So I just can back again, and I'm just gonna crease this a little like this. Okay, from here I can just easily creating like, let's create like more details here. Also I can just click here and use the extrude tool, so I can just convert to display control mesh again and just click on extrude. Now as you see, it's automatically like offset the lines in this way. I can just easily increase the distance here. Also I can just decrease and increase the movement of it without just touching it. So I'm just going to keep it like this. Let's just decrease it a little bit like that and click OK. Now using the switch to edge loop and selecting the 3 edges like this, and just let's type like 74 and press on this arrow at 1 to apply. Okay, now I can just get the top or the front view, and easily you can see it's now created like more detail on the shape like this. So this was a short tutorial about creating something like industrial and easy to handle with it. We didn't take about it just took like 8 minutes to create this board. And you can also from this point here create more details. I can just easily holding the A key and just flap and doing stuff like this. As you see here, from this side also you can create a hard edge by pressing the hard edge here and just snap to inwards, hard edge again and snap to out like this, and do the same like this and down. As you see, I just created like more snaps. You can also fix this. As you see, it's just created this because it was multiple lines. You can just easily fix that by selecting the lines that just move it wrongly and just make a little of movements. Okay, like this. Just up this a little and just selecting the 3 lines again, and we're gonna just crease it manually. Let's type 74 again and click OK. Now you have to detail it like this. It's now, as you see, more detail, and when you just click on the zebra stripes, everything seems to be good. So this was for today's tutorial. Wait for next tutorials about creating amazing things. I'm gonna explain more how to fix any problems that you can face in the power surfacing while you modeling anything. And I'm just gonna teach you more tricks while you modeling.